Inside an air operations center, operators track an MQ-9 swarm. On the monitor wall, telemetry reads exactly as it should, perfect spatial alignment across the formation. Then the spacing numbers begin to drift. A half meter, then 2 meters. Within seconds, the gap widens to an unacceptable 9 meters. Without warning, one of the drones violently peels away from the tight formation, completely abandoning its flight path. There's no electronic jamming detected, no mechanical breakdown in the engines. The hardware is fine. Instead, the aircraft have started disagreeing with each other on the mathematical state of reality. To understand why they drifted, you have to look past the airframe. An MQ-9 Raper swarm is actually a flying distributed database. Each aircraft acts as a single node in a high-velocity network. They are held together by the Swarm Consensus Protocol. Drones continuously check in with a master node, voting to establish absolute agreement. This protocol loops constantly, updating exact position vectors, formation offsets, and the mission phase. This architecture is highly efficient, but it has a specific vulnerability. If the replica nodes fail to sync this shared data, the swarm stops acting as a unified entity. The coordination dissolves, turning the aircraft into active hazards. That vulnerability is tied to the physical infrastructure connecting them, specifically the SATCOM relays that beam timing packets up to the aircraft. A severe storm rolling through the relay path violently disrupts those transmissions. The weather physically blocks the digital signal. Because of that static, 3 drones miss a single timing update. Their internal clocks drift off by a few milliseconds. The master node operates on strict logic. When those 3 drones try to submit their delayed position updates, the master rejects the data entirely for being stale. A human pilot wouldn't notice a millisecond delay. But in a distributed database, falling outside the consensus timing window creates a fatal system partition. Isolated from the main network, the 3 drifted drones fall back on their automated protocols. Since their data was rejected, they calculate that the original master node has gone offline. They immediately initiate a leader election sequence. The isolated nodes vote and successfully crown a new leader among themselves. This new leader gets to work. It calculates a new formation geometry for its subgroup and shifts them into a different mission phase, generating competing flight paths. Now, 2 versions of the swarm exist in the exact same airspace. Reality A holds the original formation, Reality B governs the newly drifted cluster. Both clusters are operating under the absolute mathematical certainty that their timing is correct, and they both view the other cluster as dangerously out of spec. The swarm didn't crash. It executed its consensus rules flawlessly, resulting in a catastrophic split-brain fork right in the sky. Down in the control room, operators frantically try to patch the fractured network, fighting an overwhelming digital interface to regain control over the rogue aircraft. They attempt immediate digital triage. They send forced meter overrides, try to expand the timing windows, and push a state reconciliation command to forcefully merge the clusters. Every single fix fails. The drifted cluster actively rejects all incoming commands from the ground station. You cannot negotiate with a split-brain system. Because the rogue cluster operates on a different internal clock, it views the human operator's override commands as corrupted, stale data. With the drones completely ignoring ground control, the commander makes a drastic call. They treat the aircraft like a corrupted server rack, initiating a global swarm reset. They issue a blanket rollback. All drones drop out of formation, wipe their consensus tables entirely, and reset timing windows to 0. It works. The nodes sequentially rejoin the master clock. The physical swarm reforms safely in the sky. The failure revealed exactly what holds these aircraft together. A drone swarm is a fragile collection of internal clocks, and when that agreement stops, the entire system shatters.